Good morning, world. It is Monday, what day is it? Well, the date is below. I am no longer in cafe on dry heat. Instead, I'm on cafe and moist heat. Yay, almost the exact same rotation. Woo, another 3 weeks. I will be making pork medallions today, so I don't think I'll actually get to utilize my moist heat techniques today, but it'll come. I was up moderately late because my friends are very persuasive in having me stay up when I don't want to by saying please. Well, I haven't talked to them in a week or two, so I guess so. And we played Smash Bros for a little bit, hence the clips of Smash Bros last night. But that got me to the point where I was in bed or asleep probably around 11 or so, maybe even a little later. Which, waking up at 5 doesn't leave a lot of time for sleep. I mean, I got a few hours. I'm functional. I'm feeling okay this morning. But I better get some sleep tonight, otherwise I won't be feeling okay. School on Monday is over. Look, we're in technical college. Yeah, that's where I go. I'm done with the school day. I'm off to work. Today was interesting. We had 5 people just gone. Whether they're sick or what. I know one was taking care of her sick kid. One was actually sick. The other 3, I don't know. Maybe they were sick too, but that meant we were down 3 people. No, 2 people in cafe, 1 in soup and sauce, 1 online, and 1 on deli. Which, surprisingly, we got everything out. It was a good kind of review day in butchery. I need to study a little bit for that. But other than that, pretty much good there. Wine appreciation tomorrow. Then kind of home for, well, I'm not because it's Monday. But I'm pretty much good for tomorrow. I need to look up the exact recipe for my cod fritters. Surprise, surprise, I'm doing fritters. I had to kind of, the person who usually would kind of go through and figure out who's doing what was gone today, so I had to do it, which was fine. I did it. It all worked out. Made sure everybody knew what they were doing. So, yeah, I'm gonna head to work now that I'm at my car, and I will update you later. Every day. Every day. Well, it is almost 10 o'clock, a little later than I wanted to get to bed, but no, I felt grungy and I needed to take a shower. So I am now going to go to bed. Nothing else really to report after everything that went on today. Got about close to 5.5 hours of work today. And with that, I will see you in the morning.